Well, thank you for joining me on this question. Let's have a look at question 6c. Question 6c says to write each of the following series in sigma notation. So let's write down our series. 0 plus 1/3 plus 1/2 plus 3/5 plus 2/3 plus 5/7. Now to look at this you go, oh my goodness, what's going on with these numbers? But anyway, that's normal, so don't stress. Let's have a look at the numbers. We want to start with, well, if we use 0 as our first number, somehow we've got to get this number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's spot the pattern. Can you see the 0? Well, that's an easy one. It's just a 0. Look at the 1, 3, and the 5. Can you see that the 1 is the number on top, and the 3 is the number on top, and the 5 is the number on top? That's going to be great if R is the number on top. That would be awesome. Well, let's have a look at those numbers that work. The 7 is, and the 5 is the denominator, and here the 3 is the denominator. Now what do you notice? Well, it's 3, 5, 7, which is 2 more than the number on top. So 3 is 2 more than 1, 5 is 2 more than 3, 7 is 2 more than 5. So if we add a 2 to that, we might just have our solution. It wasn't so hard. Let's have a look, see if we're correct. And we write from R, we start at 0, finish at 5. And we've got tentatively R over R plus 2. Let's see if it works for the others. And putting it as 0, we get 0 over 2. That works. That's a 0. Putting in a 1, we get 1 over 3. That works. That's great. Putting in a 2, we get 2 over 4. That's a half. That's great. Putting in a 3, we get 3 over 5. We already knew that was going to work. The 4 over 6, that's 2/3. That's great. And yes, we've got it. We could just make that a half. Just change that to 2/3 and change that to 0. And we've got the correct series. And it looked scary. But don't stress if it looks daunting. To be honest, it took me a while to look at it and spot that myself. So well done those who spotted it straight away. You're ahead of me. And until next time, stay happy.